Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for August 21st, 2010. Okay, let me start off with the weekly view here with the SPY. So going into a weekly view, you can see how last week we produced a rather huge bearish engulfing pattern, very similar to what happened here this week. So we had two bearish engulfing pattern right there at that resistance level of around 113. So this tells me that 113 is a pretty significant resistance level. If the market happens to breach above here, then that tells me something else is in the works, that the market might not be as bearish as we first seen. So that's the level to be watching for as far as the upside is concerned, the 113 level, as you can see here. Overall, going into a daily view, the path of least resistance right now is down. You can see how we're starting to create lower lows and lower highs after we managed to break down from this wedge pattern that I've shown you guys a few weeks ago. So overall, as I mentioned, the path of least resistance is down. As far as support, the major support that I can see right now for the market is around this 106 area. So if that 106 breaks, then we can probably easily come back and retest this 101, 102 area for the market. And as far as upside resistance, there's a pretty strong level of resistance right around here. You can see there's a gap area, also the prior resistance for this week. So around the 111, give or take, around that zone, right around here, pretty significant resistance. So again, if it breaks above here, then 113 would be the level to be watching out for. But overall, as I mentioned, the market looks to have the path of least resistance is down. So what you can do is you can probably sell some bear call spreads right at 113, or even if you're more aggressive, you may even sell some bear call spreads around 111 or so. That's what I'll be looking for. Now, just going into a quick hourly view, you can see the market is slightly oversold, okay, slightly oversold on the short-term hourly view. So I wouldn't be surprised if Monday we get some more consolidation, maybe a little bit more pullback, just kind of chop around here before moving lower. So I'll be looking for that. And of course, if 107 breaks, then we can easily go back down to 106, as I mentioned before, which was this prior low right here. Okay, jumping into the VIX, just a quick look at the VIX. The VIX is also showing higher highs, or at least potential higher highs and higher lows. So a clear above this resistance at 2750 tells me that fear is jumping back into the market. And when you know fear is back into the market, that usually means more downside.